In this lecture, we're going to study about Amazon and its products that use deep learning technology, the Echo, Echo Dot, and Alexa. First, Amazon Echo. This is a voice-controlled, intelligent personal virtual assistant where Alexa is accessible through the smart speaker. NLP, natural language processing. And this is used here to match the user's voice or text as the input. In 2014, Amazon Echo was released, and Amazon announced Alexa and Echo together. In 2016, the first generation of Amazon Echo Dot was released, and in October of that same year, the second generation of Amazon Echo Dot was released. Amazon Echo looks like this. And it has a virtual assistant Alexa that is always on and always listening. The Echo product has voice-activated QA system included, and it has this size and weight. And also it has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi networking technologies. It is powered from a wall outlet. Amazon Echo has 360-degree audio sound. It has no batteries, but a battery base is sold separately. It has built-in omnidirectional speakers for music and audio. And it has a 7-microphone array that is built in to the top of the device, such that acoustic beamforming and noise cancellation is included to have enhanced voice recognition capabilities. The components of Amazon Echo are listed right here. Looking into the components for Echo Dot, the first generation product, are listed right here. And you can see that the system is much smaller. Then, the second generation of Echo Dot is shown right here. And it, of course, includes Alexa. In addition, it has this size and weight. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi networking techniques, as well as power from a wall outlet is used. And internal speaker is used when external speakers are not connected. Right here are the components of Echo Dot, the second generation product. Alexa is an artificial intelligent personal assistant that is developed by Amazon. It requires network connections to the Amazon cloud. It's used in Echo and Echo Dot products, and machine learning techniques are used to continuously make Alexa become smarter and smarter. The two components that are included within the machine learning technology is the ASR, the Automated Speech Recognition Engine, as well as the Natural Language Understanding Unit. Alexa's voice is generated by LSTM technology, which is long short-term memory recurrent neural network technology. Alexa has skills. Now, these skills are the functional outputs and performances that can be conducted by Alexa. Thousands of skills exist, and product information can be provided based upon a search request. Marketing progress and results can be searched, and many, many more. There are the ASK, the Alexa Skills Kit, which is a developer kit used to create new custom skills for Echo and Echo Dot. How Echo and Alexa works? Well, the user speaks to Echo, and you can see that over there. Then Echo's voice recognition system detects triggered words and required skills. Then Echo sends the user's request to the ASP, the Alexa Service Platform, which you see right here. Now, the ASP uses its deep learning speech recognition engine to detect words of intent and parameters. Then, a JSON JavaScript object notation text document is made and sent to the corresponding skill on the Alexa cloud, which you see right here. The skill code parses the JSON. It reads the intent and parameters, retrieves necessary data, and executes required action. Alexa makes a response JSON document and sends it to the ASP. Response JSON document includes text of Alexa's reply to the user. In addition, optionally, it can include a smartphone app pop-up card information, where in this pop-up card, this will include markup text and image URL. The ASP voice replies to the user, and optionally, a smartphone app pop-up card may appear. These are the references that I use, and I recommend them to you. Thank you.